Hello kids! Let's read a simple sentence about goat. T-H-I-S. This. This. I-S is. This is a. This is a. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is a goat. Again. This. This is. This is a. This is a goat. This is a goat.